మనం వాడేసుకుంటే అయిపోతుంది కదా అనే ఒక రీజన్ తోని they usually go for giving in this format. Okay, so this is what, so here first journal entry, as it is a new journal entry, I'm going to give you this one. I have told you this one. Now how this entry will be, let me write this one. So the entry you're going to have, whatever it is, he is giving all these things. So what we are going to write is cash account debit. How much is giving in the form of cash? I should get answers fast.
30,000.
30,000, huh?
30,000.
Cash, I'm asking.
500, ma'am.
Yeah.
5,200.
5,000.
Cash. Yeah, cash at bank is 5,200. Am I anybody knows about Ganeshwar? Ganeshwar, who is that girl or?
No, ma'am. No
Don't
idea.
know, ma'am.
This is the first.
Don't
This
know,
is the
ma'am.
first time.
Ma'am, which sum?
15th, Nana. 15th one. 15th sum, I'm doing directly without a journal entries. I'm doing direct ledger postings. And your
Ma'am?
homework is, yeah.
Ma'am, questions are in textbook, ma'am.
Yeah, if you are having a Pankaj publications, questions are in the textbook. Oh, sorry, I didn't send you. Okay, sorry.
Ma'am, I had Kalyani publications, ma'am. Is it okay?
Kalyani publications, Amma. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
for practice, it's okay, no problem. 1 second, I'll send the question, ma. It's in the C section. The question I have sent it just now. 1 second. Yours is A section, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A section.
See, the question is here, ma. So this question I'm asking about, what is that?
On January 1st, 2013,
Yeah,
Ramamurthy
so this
commenced
14th problem, it's like a 14th problem only. So he is asking a journal entries as well as ledger postings, Nana. Now, before you people are going to record this one in your notes, I want you to leave one page, one or a half page. One or a half page. Why? Because I'm going to tell trial balance. For 14th problem, I'll be telling trial balance also. So that is the reason, leave a space for trial balance. But as we are in the continuation form of ledger posting, so I want to teach the continuationly for 15th also the ledger postings. That is the reason I'm telling now ledger posting. So how much is a furniture? He gave 21,300. Two, when a owner is supplying the initial investment or initial, what we call him as a, when owner is supplying us cash and everything, we call him as to,
capital.
yeah, we are going to call him as a
Capital.
capital account. So that is what here I'm doing, capital account I'm doing. So how much it is now? 30,000. Now these,
30,000.
yeah, this is the first time, so that's why have taken this entry. Now I'm not going to go with any journal entries. Directly we are going to go with only the ledger postings. Okay, so now first foremost, ledger postings, I always say we'll start with what? We'll start with
Cash
what?
account.
Yes, we'll start with cash, then we'll go with a bank. So that is what here I'm doing.
Bank.
Yeah, most probably we'll try to complete at least by tomorrow all the ledger postings. As it is a beginning, I'm telling each and every ledger account usually, or else I'll give work to the students only. But in this one, we have a non-commerce students also. So that is the reason I am doing this all. So date, particulars, JF amount, date, particulars, JF amount. So first we are going to start with cash account. Now please search in that one what all the cash are there. Okay, you're going to tell me what all the cash are there.
Jan 4th, ma'am.
No, cash transactions. నేను ఇక్కడ రికార్డ్ చేసే లోపు మీరు క్యాష్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయో టిక్ చేసి పెట్టండి అంటున్నాను. జస్ట్ నోట్ డౌన్ ద డేట్స్. Note down the dates so that it becomes easy for us to record it fast. So I'm preparing cash here. Cash account. credit side, and this side we call it as a debit side. So first foremost was on January 1st. First foremost was on January 1st, because just see above entry, cash in hand is there, no? Cash in hand is there, no? So when cash in hand is there, first we have to start with that only, na? So that's why my first transaction starts here only. So that is on 2013 January 1st. What is that we have written opposite? What is that we have written opposite? Opposite em rasamu to just see above entry. What is that opposite we have written? To
Cash account.
opposite
Cash account.
to cash.
account.
We are in the cash, ma. Again, why you cash there? What we have?
Capital account.
Yes,
Capital account.
capital account we have to write. So capital account, how much is the amount we got cash? We got 500. Now, madam, capital lo 30 undi kada, mari cash lo enduku 500 rasaru? You always keep in a mind what account we are preparing. Which account we are preparing?
Cash account.
So we should, yes, we are preparing cash account. So in the cash book, how much is the amount? That only we are supposed to record, no? In the cash book, how much is the amount? Cash book amount is 500. So that's why I
500.
record only 500. Okay. Now, after this one, now move on to the next.
Fourth, ma'am.
Fourth, yeah, purchased goods from Ravajagopal lo cash ledu, sold goods to Vishwanadam lo cash ledu. So that's why leave it. Next
Fourth
one.
one.
Aha.
Bought stationery.
Yeah, bought
Stationery for cash.
yeah. And yes, it does. I always say one thing, that cash or a bank, when we record, we usually have very simple concept I tell. That is debit all. Which kind of transaction will record? Debit all. Debit expenses etu. Debit or credit or real account?
Debit.
Debit all.
Ma'am.
Debit.
Income and
Debit.
expenses.
Debit all.
Income and
Debit and cash comes under which kind of account? Personal or real or nominal?
nominal.
Huh?
Real account. Real account.
Person
Real,
cash.
real.
Cash is a real. So what is the rule applies there? Debit.
Debit what comes in.
Yeah,
Debit what comes in, credit what goes
credit what goes out. So debit
Goes
what comes
out.
in. Debit what comes in means what? Receipt payments are.
Receipts.
Receipts. So that's what here.
Receipt.
Yeah, receipts. So credit all, payments, debit all, receipts. So here 2013 Jan 4th, what we did, we purchased it seems. What we purchased? Stationery. So
Stationery.
purchase, my cash is coming in or going out?
Going out.
Going out.
That's why, yeah, my posting will be on which side? I'm going to post it on the credit side and
Side.
150. Now come down. Where is one more cash? We'll search. Received cash from Vishwanadam. Received.
Fifth one.
Yeah, received means
Fifth one.
50.
Coming in, ma'am.
Yeah, coming in.
Debit side. We have
Debit side. We are going to have
Vishwanath account.
Debit side.
debit side. So we'll write as 5th Jan. Opposite ఎవరి దగ్గర నుంచి రిసీవ్ చేస్తున్నాము?
Vishwanath.
So Vishwanathan. So how much we are receiving? Cash. Only cash I'm going to write. Only cash.
4,400.
4,400. Discount అనేది discount account లో వేస్తాం. Discount అనేది discount account లో వేసేస్తాం. Next. Paid Rajagopal by check. By check. మనం ఉన్నది ఏ బుక్ లో?
Bank account.
అది bank. మనం ఇక్కడ ఉంది cash. So it won't be coming in this one, no? Leave it.
Second.
Next, deposited into bank. Deposited into bank means what?
Bank account.
Bank account.
Bank account. And what will deposit in the bank?
Cash. Money.
Cash. So that means cash account is affected or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, affected. So cash deposited means my cash is coming in or going out to the bank?
Going
Going out.
Going out to the bank. So what I'm going to write opposite, where it is going? By
bank bank
yes,
account.
by bank account.
Bank account.
How much we were deposited?
3,000.
3,000.
3,000. Okay. Next, purchased goods from Chennai. Cash unda అందులో?
No.
No, leave it. Sold goods to Mallikarjun Rao. Is cash is available in that?
No.
No, leave it. Received 5,850 from Mallikarjun Rao in settlement of full debt from him, he said. So whatever it is, first we received a cash it seems. So cash we receive, obviously check annada vadu. He just said received. Received means it is cash only, no? He's talking about. So
Yes.
received means what? Debit up, payment. Sorry, receipt up, payment.
Receipt.
Receipts, ma'am.
Receipt.
What comes to
Yeah.
Credit.
So where it should be now? Where it should be now?
Credit.
Debit
side.
side.
Credit side.
What comes in should be on which side?
Debit side.
Credit side.
What comes in, Shruti? Shruti and Kusum.
Debit side.
What
Debit
comes
side.
in? It should be on which
Debit
side?
side.
Debit side.
What?
Debit side.
So from whom I am getting the cash?
Karjan Rao.
Mallikarjun.
Mallikarjun Rao.
To
Okay.
Mallikarjun Rao account.
Okay. So what I'm going to write here?
To
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 Mallikarjun
Mallikarjun Rao.
yeah. How much we are receiving exact cash? 4,850. Next, cash sales.
Sales అంటే credit ma'am.
Cash sales. Aarti Sharma. you tell-
Sales.
Yeah.
Cash is on credit side, ma'am. Debit side. We should
Yeah.
write on credit side.
Cash is on which side? I'm not asking cash is on which side. I'm just asking cash bank చేసినప్పుడు receipt payment చూస్తామన్నారు.
Cash. Cash is
payment అనే చూస్తాం.
Receipts.
Yeah, when I'm selling, cash is coming in or going out? Cash is
coming in.
so that's
Coming
why I'm
in.
going to write as on which side? Debit side. I'm
Debit
going to write-
Debit side.
So what is the opposite word? To
Sales account.
Account.
to sales account. So how much?
8,000.
8,000.
8,000.
Okay, fine. Next. Paid to
Next,
Chennai in full
paid.
settlement debt due to him. Paid to Chennai అన్నాడు. Paid means
Going out.
going
Going
out.
out.
Going
Going
out.
out.
It comes on which side?
Going out cash.
Credit side.
Credit
Credit
side.
side.
Credit side. Credit
Yeah.
side. Credit
Credit
side.
side. So what we are going to write? Opposite name. Whose name will write?
చిన్న account.
Tuabaya. Tuabaya.
Buy account.
Bye. Bye.
By
account.
Chennai. So how much exact cash we are paying? 4,000.
4,800.
Next. Purchased from Godrej office desk on credit. Purchased from Godrej. My cash is there in that?
No, ma'am.
No ma'am.
No.
Leave it.
No.
Took loan from Kishore Karvankar. Took a loan from
No,
Kishore
ma'am.
Karvankar.
No,
But
ma'am.
took loan means
no,
I am getting what again? In the form of a
Cash.
loan, I am
Cash.
getting what?
Cash.
Cash again. So
Cash account.
how the entry will come, I'll tell. You just write down the
By
entry also, how the entry will come. I'll write as cash account debit to Kishore loan account. What I'm going to write here? Kishore
Cash.
loan account.
Kishore loan account.
So in that one, cash is
Credit.
there. That too, it's standing on which
No.
side?
Debit side.
So where it stands, there the posting. So that's why I'm going to write on which side now?
Debit side to
Debit side.
But
Debit
what is the
side.
opposite
Side.
word I should write? Opposite word em rastanu?
Kishore loan account.
Yeah.
Kishore loan.
Loan account.
Kishore loan account. So how much we took?
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
Next, paid
Ma'am.
salaries by cash, he said. Paid means what?
Excuse me ma'am.
Yeah.
Goes.
Going out.
Goes
Paid
out.
salaries by cash. Cash is,
By salaries account, ma'am.
yeah, by salaries account.
Account.
2000.
That's it. All the things we are done because last paid rent by check, he said.
Is it? Bank account.
Yeah. Is anybody calling?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. 20. I need want to explain again, ma'am,
20?
please. 9th. Took loan from Kishore. No, ma'am. I did not
Yeah. Took a
understood that point.
loan from Kishore means now I went to bank. I'm like, let us assume I'm constructing a house. So for constructing a house, I want to take a loan. So I went to banker. So I took a loan. Now banker, what he'll going to do? He'll give me a house or he'll give me a cash.
Cash.
So when I'm taking a loan, the loan also will be in the form of cash only. So that's why whatever
Okay,
it
ma'am.
is, what we are receiving is the first priority, na? The cash we are receiving. So that's why debit what comes in. So what has come?
Loan.
Cash.
It means cash.
Yeah, cash has come. So that's why cash will be debited. Two, is it I got? I have to give a clear clarification. No, is it I got because I sold the goods? Huh? Did I got from any of my debtor or did I took a loan? I have to give a clarity in that my journal entry. No, that is the reason. On the credit side, I'm writing as I took a loan from whom? Kishore. That's why I'll
Kishore.
write as Kishore loan. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
once again, I'm telling cash, we are going to see cash and a bank. Both we follow as a real rule. When I'm preparing a ledger accounts, cash and a bank, both I follow real rule. That is debit what comes in means receipts. Credit what goes out means payments. Okay. Debit what comes in means receipts. Credit what goes out means payments. Done. Okay, fine.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And usually whatever the account I'm preparing, what stands on, where it stands on, that side will be the posting. If it is standing on the debit side, the posting also will be on the debit side. Just to see the cash to Kishore loan. Cash is standing on which side? Cash was standing on which side? Debit side, no. Cash, which side it is standing?
Debit side,
Debit.
ma'am.
So my posting also
Debit
I am
side.
posted on which side now?
Debit side.
Yeah, where the account stands, that side will be the posting. That's what we are going to do it. Now tell me the total, someone. Here it will be by, sorry, date I have to write. January, you're going to, last date is 31st, no? So that's why by balance carried down. So you're going to tell me balance total. Papa cancel.
Ma'am, 7,800.
Enta nana? Cancel.
17,800.
Which side?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. 27,000.
28,900.
Both side.
28,000.
27,000.
900. Debit side.
1,000, wait, 8,000, 4,850, 4,400 plus 500. It is 27,750, ma.
27,750, ma'am. I got that.
Yeah, 27,750 minus 3,000 minus 150 minus
Ma'am,
4,800
7,800 we have to pay, ma'am.
minus what is that? 2,000, no?
Ma'am,
So 17,800 you will get.
balance carried on. 17,800.
So this side it is 27,750, no?
Yes, ma'am. 27,750. Both sides same.
My bigger total is debit side total. So 27,750 we posted on both the sides because my debit total and my credit total should be same. They should not be differ. Our rule says, accounting rule says both the total should be same. So that's why we have totaled as 27,750. But credit side the amount is less, no. So that's why what we have done by balance carried down.
Down.
Carried down.
And
Carried on.
here in the February next month we are going to write as
Balance
down.
brought down.
So how much
Brought
it is? 17,000.
17,800. 17,800.
Is it done? Clear for everyone? Non-commerce students
Yes,
also?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, shall we move on to the next bit? After cash,
Bank
what is
account.
my practice? Yeah, Tirtha.
Bank account.
Bank account.
Yeah, Tirtha, you were asking something?
No, ma'am, nothing.
Okay, okay. So after cash, we'll go with a bank. And just now I
Bank.
told you, for cash and a bank, we follow the same rule. What is that? Debit?
Debit. Debit what comes in, credit what goes
Credit what goes out.
Yeah. So all receipts we are going to follow it. So here on the title, elago nenu anni rasanu cash bank. So I'm just going with directly posting. I'm not writing any titles.
cash bank.
So debit all comes, what comes in means receipts, and credit all
Receipts.
payments.
Payments.
That you keep in mind. So here I'm putting a title.
Cash at bank.
Amma? So debit. This is bank account. Credit. Now here, again I should start from the first transaction. No? So on the top I have written one journal entry, combined journal entry. What is that? Cash account debit, cash in bank account debit. And we are preparing which account?
Bank account.
That means
Bank
that
account.
will be
Bank
coming
account.
there, no? That will come in this account or not? So
Yes.
No,
cash,
ma'am, bank.
yeah, cash in bank it seems. That means cash is there in the bank and we are in the bank account only. So cash in bank is standing on which side?
Debit side.
So my
Debit
posting
side.
also should be on
Debit.
which side?
Debit
Debit
side.
side.
So what is the opposite word I'm going to write?
To cash
To
account.
cash
To
account.
cash.
Opposite word ఏముంది? To correct.
To cash.
Bank account.
No. No.
Cash account.
To అని కూడా sign
Capital
ఇచ్చాను.
account.
Yes.
Capital account.
Cash, bank, furniture, plant, all are on the debit side. So opposite ante credit side opposite అవుతుంది. Okay na? All are debit side. Only one account is on the credit side. What is that?
Capital account.
Capital account is only on the credit side. So that's why what we'll write here, for all the things, for all four accounts, cash account, bank account, furniture, plant, for all the things we'll write two capital only. What we'll write?
To capital account.
Yeah, for all the things we'll write two capital only. For all the things, because
5,000.
now in the bank account, how much is the amount? Bank account lo amount raskoli 5,000.
5,200.
5,200.
Right. Now please go to the actual transactions. Wherever you find check or a bank, you're going to stop. Purchased goods from Rajagopalan. Cash or a check is there, ma?
No, ma'am.
Leave it. Sold goods to
Rajagopal
Vishwanathan. Check unda? Check or bank?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Leave it. Received cash from Vishwanathan. Check unda? Check or a bank?
No,
No, ma'am.
no,
Leave it.
ma'am.
Paid Rajagopalan by check.
Check, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. The
Bank
check.
is
Check unda? So that means
yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Now this is related to this account. Now what is it? Received annada, paid annada?
Paid.
Paid means debit or credit?
Paid.
Credit.
Credit.
Credit side. What goes
Credit.
out? Credit side. So here, what is the transaction date, ma?
Rajagopal
7th, ma'am.
7th. Okay. So what will write? Opposite. Evarki pay chestunam? We are in the bank, so we can't write bank.
Rajagopalan.
Yeah,
Rajagopalan.
by Rajagopalan.
Rajagopalan account.
Rajagopalan.
4,900.
4,000.
900, ma'am.
4,900. Okay, fine. Now this is done. Next one.
Deposited into
bank. Bank. Deposited into bank means we are cash is being transferred to the bank. So my bank balance will increase or decrease?
Increase.
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 Means debit or credit?
Debit.
So what we are depositing? Opposite to the bank, what we have written? To
account.
huh?
Capital account.
Capital.
Cash account.
మనం ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో
Cash
9th transaction లో ఉన్నాం.
Cash account.
Yes, what we deposit? Into the bank, we always
Cash.
deposit what?
Cash.
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 So
3,000.
Next,
3,000.
yeah. Purchased goods from Chinoy, it seems. Bank is there?
Not this.
No.
No.
No,
Sold
ma'am.
goods to Mallikarjun Rao. Bank is there?
No,
No. Leave it.
no.
Received from Mallikarjun Rao. Check is there?
No.
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 No,
Leave it.
ma'am.
Cash sales. Check is there?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Paid Chinoy in settlement due to him. Check is there?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Leave
No,
it.
ma'am.
Purchased Godrej from Godrej on credit.
No,
Check
ma'am.
is there? No.
No, ma'am.
Loan
ma'am.
took?
From
Don't-
Kishore. No.
No. Paid salaries in cash?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Paid rent by check?
Paid rental and that. Yes, ma'am.
Check
Yes,
is there.
Yes. So now paid means receipt or payment?
Receipt.
Payment, ma'am.
Payment.
Payment.
Payment, ma'am.
Yeah,
Payment.
payment. So which side it will come now?
Credit.
Credit side.
So rent means nominal. So landlord is the name. So rent means name will come or not?
No, ma'am.
By rent we will take,
Rent
right?
account.
By rent. How much is the amount? 1,200.
200.
200.
Things are done. Now please total it. Meantime, I'll take attendance of you people. Don't tell me anything.
Ma'am.
Don't do any actions because I'm taking attendance or else again it is going to go.
Ma'am, total 8,200, ma'am.
సరే నాన్న ఒక్క నిమిషం మ్యూట్ లో ఉండండి. Just
Okay,
see
ma'am.
whether attendance you are getting in the group or not. Did you get attendance in group?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Now tell me the totals. Now attendance part is done.
Total amount 8,200, ma'am.
10,000.
carried down. By
2,000.
balance carried
Debit side only
2,100.
total is more, no? So 8,000
Yes,
ma'am.
to 8,200.
on both the sides. I'm going to write as 8,200.
8,200.
So what is the
Credit
balance?
side by balance.
3,100.
So last day 31st, I'm going to take as by balance carried down. How much?
3,100. 3,100.
Yeah, that's
2,000.
300, Papa.
2,100, ma'am. By balance.
2,000. Huh?
2,100.
Okay. So here I'm going to write. Here I'm writing it. 2,100. Just correct it. So here I'm going to write next month. January తర్వాత వచ్చే next month ఏంటి? February.
February.
Balance brought
Brought
down
down.
Brought down
2,100.
100.
Now ఇది అయిపోయింది కదా, 2 మెయిన్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చెప్తాను? ఆఫ్టర్ క్యాష్ అండ్ బ్యాంక్ నెక్స్ట్ అకౌంట్
Furniture.
Purchases account.
ఫస్ట్
account,
five I say.
purchases
First main 5 at any cost. First main 5 I say. What are those?
Cash, bank, purchases,
bank.
sales, capital.
Yeah.
Purchase account.
So that's why now we'll start with what?
Purchases account.
Purchases account. So here my next account is my purchases. Only purchases అంటే అన్ని assets అవి ఇవి stationary కాదు. Only goods. Only goods. So please tell me what all the things first foremost is. On the top we don't have any purchases. First purchases ఉన్నాయా చూడండి.
No, ma'am.
So leave it.
Jan second.
Yeah, what is
Rajgopalan. Purchase goods from Rajgopalan.
purchased goods from Rajgopalan?
మ్యామ్
Ama?
Here we
మ్యామ్ నాది అటెండెన్స్ రాలేదు మ్యామ్
No.
కేసర్ అలా
సరే సరే పర్లేదు, నాకు మెసేజ్ పెట్టు, నేను వేసాను. అందుకే ఏదైనా యాక్షన్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా షఫల్ అయిపోతాయి నేమ్స్. అందుకే
లేదు మ్యామ్, నెట్ ప్రాబ్లం వల్ల వెళ్ళిపోయింది. మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు జాయిన్ అయ్యాను మ్యామ్.
ఓకే ఓకే రైస్ కుక్కర్ ఆన్ చేయి. సరే. Now
మెసేజ్
purchases
పెట్టాను చూడండి.
purchases always, and purchases కి నేను రికార్డ్ చేసేటప్పుడు cash and bank I always say that receipts will be debit what comes in, credit what goes out. And whereas purchases కి ఏం చెప్తాను, purchases always stands on which side?
Debit side.
So debit side. So default all the postings will be on which side?
Debit side.
డెబిట్ సైడ్ డెబిట్ సైడ్ ఓన్లీ. డ్రాయింగ్స్ ఒక్కటి ఉంటే అది క్రెడిట్ కి వెళ్తుంది. బట్ ఇక్కడ మనకి డ్రాయింగ్స్ ఎక్కడ చదవలేదు కదా మనము, కదా?
Yes ma'am.
So all the things will come on the debit side because purchases always stands on debit side. So all the postings
Debit
will be
side.
on the debit side. Now first one, purchased goods from Rajagopalan. So simply what we'll write? To
Rajagopalan.
That's it. To Rajagopalan.
Rajagopalan.
Ante, there is no other choice. Simply we are going to write. Next, one more purchases. Bought stationery. I said stationery will not come under category of purchases, Annan. Leave it. Next, where is one more purchase? Purchased goods from Chennai. So 13th. So what I'll write? To
Chennai account.
yeah, Chennai, opposite name, Chennai account. So how much is the amount?
4,850.
4,850.
4,850.
Yeah. Next, any other purchases?
27th.
27th ఏం అన్నాం? Purchased goods ఆ ఆఫీస్ డెస్క్ ఆ? ఆఫీస్ డెస్క్ అది స్టాక్ కాదు కదా నాన్న.
Yes ma'am.
Okay,
So here I'm going to write అది అసెట్, ఫర్నిచర్ యాక్చువల్ గా. So by balance carried down, the amount will be 9,850 nana. Okay. The class is going to end at any time. Please complete the sales one. How many you can journal entries complete cheyandi meer. Journal entries. Ledger postings I will complete by tomorrow. Journal entries is your homework. So here I'm going to write. Take a screenshots if anybody wants. Fast.
9,850 ma'am.
Yeah, to balance brought down. Please take down someone's screenshots. Done.
Ma'am, 27th general entry.
27th ఫర్నిచర్ లాంటిది నానా. సో ఆఫీస్ డెస్క్ అకౌంట్ డెబిట్ టు గోద్రేజ్ అకౌంట్ లిమిటెడ్ అంతే.
Okay.
ఆఫీస్ డెస్క్ అంటే ఫర్నిచర్, వాడు కావాలని కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేశాడు అలా అంతే.